Please, are there any discount for this Diwali?
Yeah, there are huge discount going on all the purchase of mobiles, like gadgets. When you buy speakers, we're giving offers on that.
Oh,
So
okay.
you have to drive down to Jalandhar, Model Town City, and have to drop down to our store. Then have to look out for all your offers.
Check this out. The PS5. Hello guys, it's your boy Lucky Sam the Explorer with another vlog. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed last week's vlogs, and thank you very much for watching that video. Don't forget to keep supporting your boy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, share this video with your loved ones, with your friends. So in today's vlog, Beatrice, I'm here with Beatrice, and then
Hi.
she broke her phone.
It wasn't intentional.
But you still broke your phone.
Yeah, but it wasn't intentional. So.
Yeah, so we are going to get it fixed at Ohm's Music Mantra. So let me tell you something about Ohm's Music Mantra. When you are in need of any iOS or Android or laptop or any gadgets that you are interested in to buy, like PS4, PS5, any gadgets, just I'm going to leave the contact to Ohm's Music Mantra. Just go there and then call him when you want to, repair your phone, when your phone is broken, like Beatrice on. Like, see, the screen is damaged. See, like you can't even see it. The phone is on, but you can't see it. When you touch, you feel the vibration, but the display is damaged. So if you have an issue like this and then your back glass is cracked like this, yeah, just contact Ohm's Music Mantra. They are going to get it done for you. So let's get into the video. Let me show you the place and let's see if we can have some conversation with Mr. Kamal. So enjoy the video. So guys, I'm in Ohm's Music Mantra and I have here with me Mr. Kamal Badani. I got the name right. And I want to ask him if he has any discount for us. So, please, are there any discount for this Diwali?
Yeah, there are huge discount going on all the purchase of mobiles, like gadgets. When you buy speakers, we're giving offers on that.
Oh,
so
okay.
you have to drive down to Jalandhar, Model Town City, and have to drop down to our store. Then have to look out for all your offers.
Yeah. So I'm going to put his contact in the description. So just contact him like the normal ways. Yeah, I know you guys do. So contact him and let's benefit from this. He has a great deal, like so kind, different types of iPhones from 4. Yeah, so from let's say 6 to 13, you can get iPhones. Not only iPhones, MI, any earbags, television, laptop. Yeah, like the Apple watches too. Yeah, all yeah. So these phones are available. This is what?
iPhone 10 is buying iPhone 10 second hand.
Okay, this is iPhone 10, the second hand, so you can get that too. So please contact him and get this amazing offers from him. So I'll see you on the other side. Guys, we are at our second location. We are at the PlayStation. We are at the PlayStation shop. My man Anthony, my boy Anthony, is here to pick up his PS5. So hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, so
Namaskar.
namaskar. Namaskar. So we are at the PlayStation shop. There's all kind of games here. You can check it out. Whole collection of PS. There's even PS2 here. See, PS2. So this place is amazing here. So guys, check this out. The PS5. We've got the PS5 now. Yay. So watch out for an unboxing of this massive PS5. I can't wait to do that for you guys. So just check it out. After watching this video, be expecting the unboxing of this PS5 on Thursday or Friday. Okay? Yeah. Guys, the phone has been repaired now, and thanks to Mr. Kamal for a massive work done. The phone is looking new and neat. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you purchase your gadget from Muzic Mantra. So have a blessed day. Peace out.